Which Resin 3D printer is actually worth your money? Simple question, but the answer is, with so many claiming ultra precision and blazing speed, it's hard to tell what's real. Today, we cut through the noise and show you the 5 that actually deliver. Product number 1. ELEGOO Saturn 4 Ultra 16K. The ELEGOO Saturn 4 Ultra 16K caught my eye with its massive 10-inch 16K mono LCD and smart tank heating, all for under $700. If you want insane detail on large models without constant print failures, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That 16K resolution means you're getting 18 μm XY precision, which translates to smoother curves, sharper edges, and textures that actually look real, no pixelation even on tiny figurines. The built-in tank heating keeps resin at a steady 30 degrees C, which drastically reduces bubbles and layer separation. I've seen prints fail because resin was too cold, and this solves that. Plus, the AI camera with chamber lighting lets you monitor prints remotely and get alerts if something goes wrong. Auto-leveling means you skip the frustrating calibration dance, and tilt release tech lets it print up to 150 mph, seriously fast for a printer this precise. Now, some people might complain about the weight. 35 pounds isn't exactly portable. And honestly, the flip-up lid, while sleek, can feel a bit flimsy if you're opening it constantly. But here's the thing, this isn't a printer you move around, it's a studio workhorse. The build quality elsewhere is solid and the features justify the stationary setup. This is perfect for you if you're printing detailed miniatures, dental models, or cosplay parts and want reliability, speed, and top-tier resolution. Skip this one if you need something lightweight or are on a tight budget. For the price, though, outstanding value. Product number 2, ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4. Next up, the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4, a compact powerhouse at just $257. Don't let the price fool you. This thing packs a 7-inch 10K mono LCD and serious print quality. If you're a beginner or hobbyist who wants high detail without breaking the bank, this is a smart entry point. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 10K resolution, 9024x5120, delivers 17 μm pixels, meaning even fine hair strands or engraved text come out crisp. The LIG Turbo Matrix light source ensures even curring, so you won't get those annoying layer lines or uneven surfaces. The laser-engraved build plate improves adhesion, reducing warping, something I've struggled with on cheaper printers. The 6.04x 3.42x 6.49-inch build volume is plenty for most tabletop games or small prototypes. Now the big downside, no Wi-Fi or app support. You're stuck with USB or SD card transfers, which feels outdated in 2024. And while the 4-point leveling is beginner-friendly, you still have to do it manually the first time, no full auto-leveling like pricier models. This is perfect for you if you're new to resin printing or want a secondary machine for small, detailed projects. Skip this one if you need wireless control or plan to print large batches. For the price, it's a steal. Product number 3, ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra. Now, if the Photon Mono 4's lack of smart features bothered you, the ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra steps up with Wi-Fi, AI monitoring, and 9K resolution, all for $366. If you want a balance of speed, smart tech, and precision, this one hits the sweet spot. The tilt release system lets it hit 150 mph speeds, seriously fast, while still maintaining quality. The AI camera watches your print in real time and alerts you if the build plate is empty or a model starts warping. That alone saves resin and frustration. Plus, Wi-Fi cluster printing means you can control multiple printers from one device, which is huge if you're scaling up. Auto-leveling and self-check functions make setup nearly plug-and-play. Now, some users report the resin vat can be tricky to clean if resin hardens inside, something that happens if you forget to drain it. And at nearly 20 pounds, it's not the lightest. But the smart sensors help prevent LCD damage, and the build platform is well designed for easy removal. These are minor quirks, not deal breakers. This is perfect for you if you're a serious hobbyist or small business owner who wants smart automation and fast turnaround. Skip this one if you only print occasionally or hate tech setups. For the features, it's excellent value. Product number 4, ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 10K version. Wait, another Photon Mono 4? Yes, but this is the updated 10K version with refined internals and better consistency. Priced the same as the original at $257, it's essentially a polished reboot. If you want the best budget 10K printer with fewer hiccups, this is it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Same 7-inch 10K screen with 17 μm pixels, but now with improved LIG Turbo Matrix lighting that cuts single-layer exposure to 1.5 seconds, faster curring, fewer errors. The re-engineered build platform has better laser engraving for stronger adhesion and easier removal. ANYCUBIC also pre-calibrates every unit, so you unbox, level once, and start printing. Still no app or Wi-Fi. And while the warranty is solid, 1 year with 6 months on the LCD, you're on your own if something goes wrong outside that window. But for under $260, you're getting a reliable high-res printer that's been stress-tested before shipping. This is perfect for you if you want maximum detail on a budget and don't need smart features. Skip this one if you plan to scale up or hate manual file transfers. It's a no-frills workhorse that delivers where it counts. Product number 5. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7 Max. Finally, the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7 Max, a beast at $964. With a 13.6-inch 7K screen and nearly 12x12-inch build area, this is for serious creators. If you're printing full helmets, large terrain, or multiple models at once, this is the one. The Cobb LIG Turbo 3 light source with Fresnel lens delivers 90% plus uniformity and minimizes layer lines, even on big surfaces. Dynamic heating keeps resin at optimal temp, and the autofill system reduces waste. The flip-open cover is a game changer. One-hand access saves time and space. Now the downsides: it's heavy, 62 pounds, and takes up serious desk real estate. And at nearly $1,000, it's a big investment. But if you're printing large, you need this kind of stability and size. This is perfect for you if you're a professional cosplayer, prop maker, or studio needing large format precision. Skip this one if you only print small minis or have limited space. It's expensive, but for what it does, it's unmatched. So which one should you pick? The ELEGOO Saturn IV Ultra for top-tier detail and smart features. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 for budget-friendly 10K printing. The ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra if you want speed and Wi-Fi. The updated Photon Mono 4 for a refined budget option. And the ANYCUBIC M7 Max if you need massive prints. Each excels in its lane. Pick based on your needs, not the hype.